But first to the breaking news that's coming in this evening. There's been an India Today impact on our continuing expose of the Mumbai vaccine scam case. Maharashtra's Health Minister Rajesh Tope has now told us that a total of 2,040 people were duped. They were given saline water instead of COVID vaccines as per the police. Maharashtra's Health Minister has further assured that after antibody tests, all victims of this scam will be given 2 doses of the vaccine. So clearly the vaccine scam spread was much wider than originally suspected, and Rajesh Tope, the health minister, is promising to act now. Listen in.
इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट यही कह रहा है कि 2040 वैक्सीन्स ये फेक है और सलाइन दिया गया वैक्सीन के नाम पे, और इसीलिए जो लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं उसकी तहकीकात करके 10 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया गया है। 10 लोगों को अरेस्ट करने के बाद ये भी पता चला है कि ये जो सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट का कोविशील्ड जो था, यही वैक्सीन के बॉटल्स में ये सलाइन दिया गया था। अभी तो एंटीबॉडीज टेस्ट भी किया जाएगा इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई, और उसके बाद उनको अगर ये तय हुआ कि इनको वैक्सीन देना ज़रूरी है तो 2 डोसेस वैक्सीन के दिए जाएंगे।
So of course the vaccine scam in Mumbai making the headlines. Sahil Joshi, our Mumbai bureau chief, joining us. Sahil, it appears that the vaccine scam that we first unearthed was much wider than originally expected. More than 2,000 people have allegedly been given saline water instead of the regular vaccinations. I want to know, how is the government now going to ensure that this doesn't happen again? What steps have been taken to ensure that we won't have another vaccine scam in Mumbai?
It's a very important point. You know, there are 2 steps which the government is trying to take. The first is, of course, by the police action. 10 people have been arrested. There is a special investigating team which has been formed by the Mumbai Police Commissioner, and that team is going to investigate this whole case. 10 people have been arrested so far. At the same time, the government has told the housing societies and the group of people, because it started after the government allowed the housing societies and the private offices to conduct such kind of camps, and that is where these fraudsters got into and made this particular vaccination scam. So they have given them particular guidelines and they have asked them to adhere to these guidelines. They have given the steps that how to identify that whether a particular group of people who have approached them for the vaccination camp are actually doing the vaccination camp or not. It has to be associated with some kind of an hospital. They can approach and do this particular particular vaccination camp. It needs a BMC approval. It needs a local body approval. It has certain guidelines, and that is what the BMC is trying to tell people at this point of time. Most importantly, the scam came out because people from that Hiranandani society came forward and told that there are particular symptoms which one should be getting after getting vaccinated. They did not receive any certificate, and that's how this scam came out. That's how India Today reached to them and broke this particular scam.
Right.
So now the government is telling people that what are the steps you have to understand, that whether you have been given a vaccine or somebody is trying to fool you is the way to follow these particular guidelines, and that is how they are going to ensure that this scam should not reappear, specifically in Mumbai, where the vaccine shortage last month had actually brought people to do some kind of a jugaad, approach people who can get them vaccinated. To avoid that particular, all the issues, the government is actually coming forward and telling people how to go about it.
So they will have to deal directly now with hospital authorities. Sahil Joshi with the very latest on that saline water being given instead of vaccinations. Thanks very much for joining.